Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. The threat posed by unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, has grown too significant to ignore. Over the past decade, the skies have become increasingly saturated with potential dangers, as hostile or unauthorized drones frequently intrude into sensitive airspace. No longer limited to surveillance, drones now play a central role in modern warfare, conducting reconnaissance missions, gathering intelligence, and executing precision airstrikes. In response to this evolving threat, the United States military is actively developing innovative and advanced counter-drone technologies designed to detect and neutralize these aerial threats the moment they appear. The U.S. Marine Corps employs an advanced anti-drone weapon known as the Drone Buster, a compact, ray gun-style device designed to neutralize hostile UAVs. Weighing just 4.1 pounds and measuring 21 inches in length, 6.5 inches in width, and 11 inches in height, this lightweight tool packs a powerful punch. The Drone Buster operates by jamming a drone's control frequencies, effectively severing the link between the UAV and its operator. Once disrupted, the drone is typically forced to return to its point of origin. Additionally, the system can interfere with GPS signals, causing the drone to hover, land, or even crash. Its effectiveness in low visibility conditions makes it a vital asset for frontline units facing evolving aerial threats. To combat airborne drone threats, the U.S. military has deployed two cutting-edge directed energy weapons: high-power microwave and high-energy laser systems. These are classified as soft-kill technologies, designed to disable drones without creating explosive debris. The HPM system emits a focused microwave beam that overloads and burns out a drone's onboard electronics, causing it to lose control and crash. Its wide beam capability allows it to engage multiple drones simultaneously, providing broad area defense. In contrast, the HEL system uses a concentrated laser to superheat and melt critical components of a drone, leading to structural failure. The HEL is typically mounted on an agile Polaris ATV-style platform, while the HPM system is housed within a containerized unit resembling a standard shipping crate, both configurations designed for rapid deployment and mobility on the battlefield. The U.S. Marine Corps has adopted an innovative approach to preparing for drone threats: virtual reality training. This cutting-edge technology immerses Marines in realistic combat scenarios, allowing them to practice using anti-drone systems like the Drone Buster in dynamic, simulated environments. By replicating real-world conditions, VR training equips personnel with the tactical skills and split-second decision-making needed to counter unmanned aerial threats effectively. This proactive preparation ensures that Marines are mission-ready to detect, disrupt, and neutralize any UAV that violates their airspace. Although the drones were initially made for commercial use, they have proved very useful for counterinsurgency operations. Today, drones are primarily used by militaries around the world for various purposes, including reconnaissance, command and control, and decoys for target practice. One of the major problems militaries are facing is how to detect and neutralize enemy unmanned aerial systems, such as drone swarms. Raytheon has tested an anti-UAS missile system called the Coyote, using two different radar systems, the Ku-RFS Precision Targeting Radar and the Ku-720 Mobile Sensing Radar. Tests were mostly successful, with the missile detecting its targets and detonating a warhead that spreads out shrapnel to defeat multiple threats. Even with successful systems targeting single drones, drone swarms present a greater menace. Not only does its defense have to be effective, but also as cheap as possible. One of the most promising counter-drone systems currently in development is the Leonidas, a high-power microwave weapon designed to neutralize both individual drones and drone swarms. Mounted on mobile platforms, such as Stryker armored vehicles, Leonidas emits concentrated bursts of electromagnetic energy that disrupt and disable a drone's control circuits and communication links. By overwhelming these electronic systems, the weapon effectively neutralizes UAVs mid-flight without causing kinetic damage or explosive debris. Its wide area coverage makes it especially effective against swarm attacks, delivering rapid, non-lethal defense with precision and scalability, making it an ideal solution for modern battlefield threats. A company called Anduril has another solution against drones. It uses a sentry tower, which identifies threats using long-range radar, middle wavelength, infrared MWR, and AI processing. This system can detect the target and even the location of the operator. Once the drone's location is known, the system releases a kinetic drone called Anvil, which physically rams the drone out of the sky. The entire system is called Mobile Sentry and allows defense from drones from remote locations. A line of these can be set up without personnel at the site. The operators can detect and engage drones from remote locations. Other physical or kinetic solutions include drones armed with nets to catch enemy drones mid-air and bring them down by tangling up in their systems and making them heavier. Once caught, the drone becomes unstable and crashes. The interceptor can pull it to a safe place. This approach is good for sensitive locations or metropolitan surroundings since it reduces collateral risk and damage. NATO can efficiently neutralize drones by deploying nets, therefore offering a precision option in their aerial defense tool instead of more forceful action. Recently, Germany has led the way with the production of a system specifically designed to destroy drones. The Skynex truck is an all-terrain vehicle. It can easily maneuver through all kinds of terrain, allowing the driver to park in protected, hard-to-reach locations to keep a lookout for any potential aerial threat. A test shows how it can find and engage with a swarm of 8 drones miles away. Even though the drones are flying in a mountainous region, at a far distance, at altitude, and at high speeds, the Skynex technology is not deceived. Radar locates the drones, and an all-powerful Swiss-made 35mm revolver cannon shoots them all down in seconds. Another Rheinmetall vehicle, the Sky Ranger, also has the ability to locate drones and take them out. Still, the key difference with this weapon system is that it's also made to shoot and destroy ground targets at close range. The manufacturer says the Sky Ranger is equipped with state-of-the-art search and tracking sensors, which provide 360-degree air and ground surveillance. It is also equipped with a 35mm revolver cannon. Watch as a drone gliding and attempting to avoid the bullets is easily shot down by the Sky Ranger. Land targets are no match for the power of the gun either. Similar to the Skynex truck, the Sky Ranger is an armored vehicle that can handle any terrain. Its 6x6 wheels have the ability to handle rocky and rough turf to maneuver to tactical positions. A German company with roughly 25,000 employees, Rheinmetall is a world leader in the development, design, and manufacture of artillery, mortar, and infantry systems. The company is constantly pushing the limit of what weapons can do. It recently set 3 world records. A G6 howitzer with a 52 caliber gun achieved the longest range ever attained, with a conventional 155mm artillery round at 76 kilometers. The 52 caliber gun of a Panzerhaubitz's 2000 self-propelled howitzer lobbed a shell 67 kilometers. Finally, a field howitzer with a 39 caliber gun attained a range of 54 kilometers. The company produces its weapons at manufacturing centers in Germany and Switzerland, but its focus is global. Rheinmetall's mission is to provide future artillery solutions to servicemen and women across the world. All nations' militaries rely heavily on armories to protect and store weaponry. Without them, soldiers and Marines would be forced to keep their weaponry with them or in less secure areas, potentially causing havoc. Military armories originated as secure facilities for storing weapons and ammunition, dating back to ancient civilizations. These structures evolved from simple fortified warehouses to sophisticated facilities incorporating maintenance workshops, security systems, and climate control to preserve military equipment and munitions. Military armory specialists, commonly known as armorers, are responsible for the oversight of weapon accountability, security, and maintenance within secured facilities. Their duties encompass meticulous inventory management, routine and preventive weapon inspections, issuance procedures, and strict adherence to regulatory standards. Armorers ensure that all weapons remain combat-ready at all times, while enforcing stringent access controls to prevent unauthorized handling. Their role is critical to operational readiness and the integrity of military arsenals. When drawing weapons, troops sign them out using ID verification and documentation procedures. Each weapon's serial number is logged. After training, troops clean weapons, undergo inspection, and formally check them back in. Armorers verify conditions before securing weapons in designated storage. A good example is the 341st Security Support Squadron Armory at Malmstrom AFB, which is constantly operational and supports nuclear security duties. As Global Strike Command's largest 24-hour facility, it maintains weapons and equipment for security forces guarding missile fields and base assets. Armorers also maintain and repair weapons in designated armory workspaces to ensure operational readiness. Yellow tags help to identify weapons that need to be maintained, repaired, or inspected before they may be returned to duty. This visual approach aids in the identification of firearms that are temporarily inoperable and prevents their inadvertent issuance. When troops check out weapons, the serial numbers are recorded. If a soldier reports a malfunction, the weapon is promptly marked for inspection, noted in maintenance logs, and a replacement weapon is supplied. Armorers evaluate all weapons upon their return, and any damaged ones are repaired or replaced. To ensure that no round is in the chamber, the armorers issue weapons with the bolt pulled back and the weapon on safe, so the chamber is visible. When the weapon is issued, the airman or soldier receiving the rifle investigates the chamber and confirms that it is clear. After safety, record keeping is critical in an armory. Armory personnel use serialized inventory cards and digital technologies to keep precise weapon stock records. Each weapon has a card that records maintenance history, inspections, and assignments. Custodians conduct regular inventory, log all transactions, and ensure that every serialized object is strictly accountable. One problem that arose throughout the years was that armories were designed to store weapons and their accessories, but there was no space to keep downgrades. Older accessories were stored wherever there was space, leaving the armory cluttered. Systems like Armory Storage Solutions were developed to make the armory space more user-friendly. Sniper rifles require extreme skills to build and maintain. There are 200,000 Marines on active duty. From them, only 60, that's 60, can repair precision weapons. Members of the Precision Weapons Section in Quantico, Virginia are assigned this job. They are not only capable of repairing these weapons, but can build sections such as the barrel from just a blueprint. Once the barrel has been built using a lathe, it is tested with live rounds before becoming operational. As drone threats continue to evolve, so too must the technology and strategies used to counter them. From high-powered microwaves and laser systems to kinetic interceptors and precision armory operations, the U.S. military and its allies are investing in layered defense solutions to secure the skies. Whether through cutting-edge weapons, virtual reality training, or expert armory management, these advancements ensure that forces remain prepared for whatever threats emerge on the modern battlefield. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.